Okay, this is the topic, the forestry practices of Scandinavia, and this is second part of Europe, second representation of Europe actually. And here we will discuss about the forest type, physical region, and prominent species of the Scandinavian region, right? And here in Scandinavian region, it is politically having 4 countries: Norway, Denmark, Finland, and Sweden. Okay, the greater part of peninsula comprises of a plateau that is made up of ancient and denuded rocks, which extends into Finland. Right, lowlands occur only in southern Sweden, and which forms an extension of the Great European Plains. Right. Next we have forest types. The Scandinavian region is divided into 2 main forest types. One is coniferous forest type, and these forest types or these forests are well spread out in this region, and prominent species here are Scotch pine, Norway spruce, oak in southern Finland, central Sweden, and southern coastal Norway. That separates the conifer region, okay, from other areas. Large tracts of coniferous forests occur over almost bare rocks and barren topography of this region. Next we have hardwood forest types, and it covers a large portion of western and central Europe, and dominant hardwood species found here are beech, oak, ash, elm, and linden. Right. Conifer species are also associated at some places with these forests. Right. Hardwood forests occur over favorable soil conditions only and under a mild climate condition. Due to this reason, large tracts are cleared for agricultural purposes. Okay. Then we have several prominent species of this region, and these are Scotch pine, Pinus sylvestris, Austrian pine, then Pinus nigra, Norway spruce, Picea avis, Sitka spruce, Picea stichensis, then fir, Avis alba, European larch, Larix deciduea, common walnut, Juglans regia, chestnut tree, Castanea sativa. These several species were found also in British Isles area. Okay. Then we have how the forests are managed in this area and this region. Earlier, all the forests are managed scientifically by trained forestry personnel to secure sustained yield till date with very high standards. Okay, and even this time, at present time, these are also maintained in the same way. Lumber and pulp industries as well as farmers have managed their own private forests, but under governmental guidance only. Right, and then we have some forest based industries here, and these are in Scandinavian forests are generally used for the production of industrial timber besides fodder. Okay. Sawmills and pulp factories dominate the forest industry. Both consumes about 66% raw material, and plywood accounts for a small proportion as compared to this pulp and paper and sawmill. Okay. Trees are medium sized and thus being used for pulp and paper purposes, and further good consumption centers exists all over the Europe. Paper mills are located in far south areas, and coniferous forests also produce high quality lumber, and further Scandinavian countries are amongst the top exporter of forest produce such as paper and pulp, roundwood, sawnwood, plywood, charcoal, and fuel wood. Right, and this is a brief account of the forestry and forest resource of Scandinavian region, and this is the completion of the part of Europe. Okay, thank you.